celery.
Onions, peppers, and celery. Seasoning blend. Is that what it is in the pot?
There's what I got in there. Yeah.
So
Right now.
first thing you do is put that in the pot. Okay, so we have Cajun seasoning, bay leaves, parsley flakes, or fresh parsley, garlic salt, gumbo filet, olive oil, rotel, diced tomatoes, and green chilies. 3 cans of diced tomatoes, right?
You use chicken gumbo soup. That's what I usually use, but this one, they had them on sale the other day. Buy one and get one else. And this one's got the chicken and sausage in it.
Okay.
I'm going to put some sausage.
And Chesapeake Bay seafood seasoning. And what kind of sausage is this?
That's Cajun sausage.
Cajun sausage and garlic.
There's my okra out of the garden.
Okra and gumbo vegetables.
Base for gumbo is okra.
And then gumbo. I mean seafood.
Yeah, that gotta have salt.
Yes, that's why I'm recording this. Because of your lack of measurements.
And I don't always make it the same way every time either. Then we'll add the gumbo vegetables and I'm doing the chocolate.
And then you have pre-made roux.
It's in, if you buy the Zataran's rice gumbo mix, it's in there and it's already done. And that's you make it.
Oh.
You cook it, you have to cook flour till it gets certain, and that's just a vein in the bread.
So this is like cheating gumbo.
Well, it's just a matter of you look.
Okay, garlic.
Got salt, pepper, garlic in there. If a little garlic's good, a lot of garlic, old fish in there. Just it's what's left over from your seafood that you eat at home. Throw it all in a pot and make a gumbo out of it.
Throwing in the bay leaves, 3 bay leaves. And your gumbo seasoning.
2 or 3, it don't matter.
Gumbo vegetables.
See, now I got to put water in there because that's going to cook this down.
I guess this makes me your sous chef today.
I guess
Yeah, it's too expensive for him to do at
well, he
school.
gave me $100 and said you can make whatever you want to today.
Wow.
So, well, that won't cover it. A big pot. Not if
Ooh.
you, well, you shred the ground and stuff. It's expensive. I was like, no, instead of working, you know, he said,
He's playing his guitar.
Plays the guitar.
That's funny.
And the other kids are like, we can't study, we can't think because he's playing the guitar. And I have to say, shut up. This is not what you came up here to do. Either he was starving to death and this was the greatest thing he'd ever had. He came back for his 4th and 5th.
Oh, my.
And I said, you know, the whole class has got to have some of this, and you've already had yours with 2 or 3 more people. You can't have any more. So,
Well, maybe he'll write a song about it one day.
then we got Mr. Bland and the teachers that, oh, you want that? Well, I need that. You know, I'm like, whoa, here y'all.
Kind of like if you cook it, they will come.
If they find out about it, they will come, period. Whether you ask them or not.
Okay.
Okay, cook it down until these are soft. Just sort of mash them up. If not, it's not going to do it.
Aha! Secret. Ancient Cajun secret. So if they're hard, you don't put them in there? Because they're not ripe yet?
Well, they've been on there too long.
And now you're chopping them up. You're going to put them in the...
We'll put them right over there where you are.
fresh yolk.
So it is.
Here, well, just tell me when to stop.
You just pour any amount you want to in there because we're going to end up putting all that over in this big pot with this soup and stuff.
How's that? Is that too soupy?
No.
I'm going to smell it now. It's starting to smell good. It's got something good going on in here. Oh, cooking gumbo. We need some gumbo music. some Hank Williams Jr. Well, let's put it on. We need some inspiration. And what about this? What do I do with this?
I've got to put the base in there as soon as I'm going to get it.
I know, but what do I do with it till then? I just keep stirring it?
Well, yeah.
Putting in the Zatarain's New Orleans style gumbo mix with rice.
Right.
And that's the roux, right?
We're going to have to put some water in here and stir it up in here.
And that's the roux, right?
That's going to be the roux.
Pour water in, and thicken it up, right? And make everything thick.
And then we'll get all this in there. We're going to have to fill this thing up with water too.
Okay, I got all the seafood in here. Or all the seafood you had before.
I hadn't got the scallops.
Can I put the scallops in here?
I guess so. Mash up. All your stuff here, it's all in a mix now, and then it's ready to go in the big pot. But mash your okra up so the little seeds come out, so you'll know it's soft, and you don't want no hard okra.
Okay, so now you can just pour it in there. After you get the okra eyeballs out.
What I usually do, Prue, is when I put the tomatoes and stuff in there, I put the can of tomatoes and a can of water.
Oh, I didn't put water. Well, we put a cup in
You
it.
can do that in there.
Okay.
Do that.
Ooh, yummy. Starting to look like gumbo, and I know what's missing.
Filet.
Filet, which changes the color.
Papa, look what I buy you. 4 of them for 99 cents. They got a bunch of them. They got a bunch of them on sale.
Oh, that stinks. It's the gumbo filet. The sassafras.
Because that's going to make it taste good. See, that's what, when I was putting it in there that day, Tom said, oh, he said, what's that mine? I said, this reason you know. He said, well, I learned something today. I said, yeah, that's right. Because you get your taste on that. So that's also so thick.
So it's like covering the top like sargassum
Pretty much it.
on the water.
And just leave it in here, and as it cooks on down, you